India's GSAT-24 satellite was launched into space on board Europe's Ariane 5 rocket. The rocket lifted off from French Guiana's town of Kourou and placed the satellite into a geostationary transfer orbit. The mission also carried MEASAT-3D, which is a multi-mission telecommunications satellite built by Airbus Defence and Space. GSAT-24 is a communication satellite built for New Space India Limited or NSIL by the Indian Space Research Organisation or ISRO. This is the first demand-driven satellite configured by ISRO, owned, operated and funded by NSIL for commercial users. The satellite will provide high-quality television, telecommunications and broadcasting services and will meet the DTH needs of Indian customers. The Ariane 5 lifted off from Guiana Space Center at 6:50 p.m. local time to successfully complete its first mission of the year and the 113th overall. Ariane Space said that the launch will improve broadband coverage in the Asia-Pacific region. The NSIL had said that the GSAT-24, once operational, will enhance television viewing by providing more DTH channels within the same spectrum and more HD channels for system robustness with additional rain fade margin. The satellite-based interactive education services for classroom connectivity will also be improved, and the satellite will have applications in telecommunications and emerging sectors like digital cinema, high-speed backhaul links and bulk data transfer. While NSIL launched GSAT from Europe, it is also preparing to launch 3 passenger satellites from Singapore from Sriharikota. The 3 satellites will be launched on the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle or PSLV and ISRO Workhouse. The PSLV C-53 mission will lift off from the second launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota on June 30th. This will be the second dedicated commercial mission of NSIL.